those of us who are in the technology industry and computer science is we have been living this world for a long time. We take a great pride historically to say we're building enterprise class applications. When a company builds something that many customers can use, it's enterprise class. Like Oracle is enterprise class application, let's say, right? Or DB2 database or enterprise, or SAP is enterprise class application. And we all took pride in saying enterprise class is the biggest thing that we can do. Well, UPI has blown past all that. It's not enterprise class, it's citizen scale, right? It's citizen scale. It has reached a point where every citizen in the country can seamlessly operate. So that's an order of magnitude higher complexity and reach that UPI has achieved. So enterprise scale is literally nothing compared to the citizen scale that we are now observing. And the other example, of course, in India is Aadhaar. Aadhaar is another great example of citizen scale, right? Everybody is on it and it works and it's seamless. Now, just to take a little bit of detour from UPI to say that how NPCI, which is the owner operator of UPI, is also doing a lot of other things, which is not necessarily UPI, but UPI related. You all know that, if you're on the highway, certainly ORR is a good example. FASTag, we are all on FASTag, right? FASTag is also an NPCI product. Its underlying technology is called NETC, National Electronic Toll Collection System. Then if you look at what is happening with metros, buses, smart cities, etc. I know even FASTag, by the way, will soon have not just highways, but also parking. You can park with FASTag going forward in parking lots, right? Then there'll be there's this National Common Mobility Card, NCMC, which runs on RuPay, which is our NPCI or India's answer to Visa and Master. RuPay, the credit card operating network. So the RuPay card, one of them is NCMC, which is also now being promoted as a single card for making all payments across all transportation, right? So whether you're in a metro or a bus in a big city. So imagine you preload your card, you go to Delhi Metro, you use it. You go to Calcutta, you go to Kolkata Metro, you can use it. You come down to Hyderabad, you can use it. You can get into a bus and use it. So the complete national interoperable transportation card. Now that's quite an achievement when we actually make that fully possible. The point I'm making is UPI has reached citizen scale. FASTag is on its way there, becoming very big already. And NCMC is probably in its earlier stage of development, but it will also get there. The point I'm making is this is not just one trick pony that we are talking about. This country is going digital payments wise on all fronts, firing on all cylinders. But the last point I want to make here is, of course, financial inclusion. I mean, for the longest time, those of you who study financial inclusion, and I remember, banks used to say, oh my God, we want to add another 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, merchants to have point of sale devices. And those hardware devices were very difficult. But if you now look at QR code based merchants, right? You just go and go to merchant, there's a sticker, you point and you click and you pay. That has become very big, but not just that, the entire direct benefit system. So today, Aadhaar enabled payment system has become the system of choice for the governments, both central and state, to disburse direct benefits to people below a certain economic and socio-economic means. And today we have 5 million micro ATM, which is essentially business correspondents. If you know the BC model, there are human beings who are human ATMs carrying a device in the village, in the last mile, and 400 million Aadhaar-enabled payment transactions, I mean, either withdrawal or cash withdrawal, cash deposit transactions, or micro ATM transactions, are happening on AEPS, which is much bigger than the ATM network that we have.